How to send audio files on Instagram DM. So the very first thing you want to make sure that you're running the latest version of the app Instagram. In order to check it out, head over to your app store and then search for Instagram. Over there you can make sure if your application is up to date or not. Once you have the latest version, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Now swipe left and head over to your chat section. And then you have to move into the inbox of the person that you would want to send the audio files. Let me search for this specific person. Once you are in their inbox, now what you want to do is tap on this mic icon at the bottom. Well, it will start to record your voice. In this audio, speak anything that you would want to send to this person. And that's how you can send the audio. But if you want to send the audio file, tap on this gallery icon right beside the mic icon. It will open up your gallery. So over here you have to make sure the videos that you have got on your gallery contain the audio that you want to send. So from here, simply select the video that contains the audio. Once selected, tap on send at the bottom right corner. And there you go, that's how you can send the audio. Well, the next thing you can also try doing is upload the audio files on your drive and then share the link to this person. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can send audio files on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.